I started doing this little counterintuitive thing that really made the money flow also into my life. This is Terry and the Guide Inside. I made a whole series about what helped me when it comes to finally having some money. The playlist is on the front page of Terry and the Guide Inside. This is day 5, and I will soon share this little detail, but has a huge impact. Let me just talk a little bit about my own method called the Speak Up method. People manifest in seconds, not money in seconds, but many other things happens in seconds. If you're interested, look down below where it says the Speak Up methods. It's totally free. So, what did I do to start making money flow into my life? Here's the counterintuitive part. I spent more money. Yeah. This thing I'm talking about now is much easier to do if you have a little money to spend. I tried to do it when I had nothing, and I mean nothing. It's quite hard, but it's the mindset that's the important part here. I like to use blueberries as an example. For years and years and years, I always chose the cheap blueberries. They're fine, but I bought them not because I wanted them. I wanted the expensive ones, but I bought the cheap ones. For years and years and years, when I was on booking.com to find a place to stay, I always sort by price. Give me the lowest price first. You probably know where I'm going here. What am I signaling if I do that? And I could spend, hours on booking.com to find the cheapest room or apartment. Now, I guess the short version of this is, what do you want? What kind of blueberries do you want? Do you want the cheap ones? Great. For some reason, not price though, but some reason you like the taste of it or you like the size of them, I don't know. Fine, no problem. If you like cheap hotel rooms, not many people do. But the question is, what do you want? And go for that. Because when you spend money on that, you build your self-esteem and your self-worth and your vibration, and it's all good and positive, and money is supposed to be spent, right? It's supposed to flow. If you hang on to it too tight, it kind of stops the flow, like in a river, right? So, yeah, spend money on things that you want and that is good for you. My friend Jonas the Healer, he says, manifesting starts with making smart choices. And buying stuff that you want is a smart choice. If you don't have a lot of money, don't spend more than you have. But think of it. Do we really need to buy all the stuff? Maybe we should buy less stuff and stuff we actually want, even though it might be a little more expensive. If you buy food you actually want to eat, it changes your whole being from inside out. I feel less like a loser when I actually buy the things that I want. I know for many of you this is, what is he talking about? And if you feel like that, great. If you feel like, oh, he's onto something here. If it hits you, then maybe you should take notice. So that's the tip that really helped me. Spend more money, but on things that matter, makes you feel healthy and joyful and grateful, all those positive things. I'm gonna link the whole playlist the 4 previous videos. Every video has one concrete method that helped me manifest money, and you can check it out. And hopefully I'll see you soon.